Hello guys, I am Saloni and welcome to Codera. And today's video is very important, especially if you are preparing for the interviews. And guys, trust me, if you will cover these questions which we will see in today's video and the SQL queries that we had discussed in previous video, which is top 9 SQL query part 1 and part 2, then you can easily crack the interview questions of SQL. So before any delay, let's start the video. So our first question is joins in SQL. This is one of the mostly asked question in interviews. So joins basically combine the data or row from two or more than two tables based on some common fields. So you must know about the different type of joins like inner join, outer join, self, natural and cross join. And interviewer can also ask the difference between inner and natural join and some basic query based on the joins. Next question is what are the different type of keys? So key is very important for any database table. We use key to uniquely identify a tuple in relation or table. So you should know about the primary key, super key, candidate key, foreign key and unique key. Here foreign key is very important concept. Now our next question is what are the different database languages? And I have also faced this question many times in my interview. So we use database languages to read, store and update the data in the database. So we have basically four type of database languages, which is DDL, data definition language, DML, data manipulation language, DCL, data control language, TCL, transaction control language. In DDL, we can perform different tasks like create, alter, drop, truncate, rename and comment. In DML, we can perform select, insert, update, delete, merge and call. In DCL, we can perform grant and revoke. In TCL, we have commit and rollback commands. And the next question is difference between delete, drop and truncate. Generally, interviewer confuses between these three commands, especially between delete and truncate. So have a look on this question. Or you can also watch my video. I have provided the link in the description box. Now the next question is what are different aggregate function in SQL? So this function performs some calculation on a set of value and return a single calculated value. Some important aggregate functions are sum, count, average, mean and max. Now next question is what are constraints in SQL? So constraints are nothing but the rule that we can apply on the type of data in a table. That means कि किसी पर्टिकुलर कॉलम में हम किस तरह का डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं. So some constraints are not null, unique, primary key, foreign key, check and default. So our next question is what is normalization and its type? Here normalization is the process of minimizing the redundancy from a relation. And the redundancy means that the same data is stored in two or more than two separate places. So here we have majorly four type of normalization, 1NF, 2NF, 3NF and BCNF. Now moving towards the next question which is ACID property. So basically this property ensures the data integrity during a transaction. Here ACID means atomicity, consistency, isolation and durability. So our next question is difference between where and having clause. So we use where with the row operation while having clause with the column operation. We can't use where with the aggregate function while we can use having with the aggregate function and so on. I will make a separate video on this question. So this is also a very important question. Our next question is difference between SQL and NoSQL, or you can say difference between MySQL and MongoDB. And I have recently uploaded a video on this. You can check out the link in the description. Now the next question is what are character functions? So this function accept character input and they return character or number value as output based on the different function. So character function are of two type, case manipulation and character manipulation. In case manipulation function we have lower, upper and initcap function. And in character manipulation we have concat, substr, length and so on. So our next question is, what are set operator? So we use set operator to join the result of two or more select statement. Here are some example of set operator like union, union all, intersect and minus. So with the help of this operator, we can combine the result of select queries. And the next question is, what are relationships in database table? So we use relationship to link the data of two or more tables. For example, we use foreign key concept to stabilize relationship between the tables. So here we have four type of relationships: one to one to many to one, and last is many to many. For example, in college, one student can enroll for one type of course. So this is one to one relationship. While one student study different subject. So it is one to many relationship. Now the next question is, what is view and how to create view? So basically view are considered as virtual table. They are not the real tables. We use view to provide the security to our data. And we can create a view by selecting field from one or more table present in the database. So this is how we can create the view. We have to write create view and then the view name. After that, write any select statement. So this view will show only selected columns written by the select query. Now the next question is, what is index and why we use it? So friends, index is very important topic of SQL. And in interview, they want to know that you are aware about the indexing or not. There is very less probability that they will ask you to create the index. So you must have a good idea how indexing works. And I will also try to make a separate video on indexing. And the next question is difference between primary key and unique key. So this is very easy question but also important. And the next is, what is trigger in SQL? So basically trigger is database object and it fires when a particular event occurs. Like we can fire a trigger before inserting some value into the database. Here insertion is an event. So the next question is difference between DBMS and RDBMS. I have previously created a video on this. You will find the link in the description box. And the next question is, what is ER or entity relationship model? So it is used to model the logical view of the system. An interviewer can also ask you to create ER model for the library management system or anything else. So try to have a practice on this. So our last question is, what is schema? So schema is the design of the database. The overall description of the database is database schema. So now I hope you have a good collection of important questions on SQL. And try to keep practice of basic SQL query, which you will find in my SQL playlist. So all the very best for your interview and keep watching Code Era for more videos. Also don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching.